was on a date the other day. The first thing the girl said to me is, "What kind of car do you drive?" And look, I'm no idiot. I know that that's code. This girl clearly has some strong opinions about the fossil fuel industry. So I say, "I don't own a car," which is not true. I drive an F-150, but I would impress her. And she says, "Okay, what do you do?" And look, if there's one thing that I know about women, it's that they value emotional honesty. So I say, "I'm unemployed and very lonely." And she says, "Okay, I'm grabbing the check and I'm going home." And I say, "Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're paying for dinner and you want to take me back to yours? Slow down, lady." But then she just leaves. And I think to myself, is it possible that I misread the situation? But then I look down, she's left her credit card behind. So it's pretty obvious what's happening at this point. This woman loves the chase. She knows if she leaves her card behind, I would be forced to take the card, look up her information, find her Facebook, it's linked to her Instagram, download one of the photos, geotag it, and then show up at her doorstep. So I'm standing there banging on her door